it's Jake. It's currently 11:51 and it's Sunday. What are we going to be doing today? Well, I have a couple things I have planned. One, we're going to go do door dashing. Two, I got to go see the boys. Who are the boys? Well, that's Loki and Bluey, our boys. And finally, ignoring my husband taking a bad hit on the pen. I'll wait.
Oh my god.
Anyways, besides that, maybe I'll make a time lapse. Who knows what we'll see. Stay tuned. And as always, minions, be excellent to each other. That's all.